Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever wondered who the real giants are in the Forex trading world? With thousands of brokers out there, it can be tough to figure out who to trust. Today, we're recutting through the noise to talk about three of the most famous Forex brokers on the planet. We'll dive into what makes them stand out and why millions of traders choose them. Ready? Let's get started. First up, we have Forex.com. The name itself says a lot, right? As one of the pioneers in online retail Forex trading, they've been around since 2001. Their longevity speaks volumes. Forex.com is known for its powerful and user-friendly trading platforms, including their advanced trading station and the ever-popular MetaTrader 4 and 5. They are regulated in multiple major jurisdictions, including the US, UK, and Canada, which gives traders a strong sense of security. Plus, their educational resources are top-notch, making them a great starting point for beginners. Next, let's talk about Oanda. Founded way back in 1996, Oanda is another veteran in the industry. They were one of the very first to offer Forex data on the internet. What makes Oanda so famous? Well, for one, they have a reputation for transparency and innovation. They offer their own proprietary trading platform, which is known for its clean interface and powerful charting tools. A big plus is their flexible trade sizes. You can trade any amount, which is great for traders of all levels. Like Forex.com, Oanda is also heavily regulated across the globe, ensuring a high level of trust and fund safety. Finally, we can't talk about famous brokers without mentioning IG. Established in 1974, IG is a true titan of the industry and a publicly traded company on the London Stock Exchange. Their scale is immense. IG offers an incredible range of markets to trade, far beyond just Forex. You can trade indices, stocks, commodities, and more. Their platform is renowned for its speed, reliability, and extensive features, including advanced charting and research tools. IG's global presence and long history of regulatory compliance make them a go-to choice for serious traders who demand the best in terms of technology and security. So, there you have it, Forex.com, Oanda and IG. What makes them the most famous? It's a combination of their long-standing history, strong global regulation, advanced trading technology, and a solid reputation built over decades. They've earned the trust of millions by consistently providing reliable and comprehensive trading services. Choosing a broker is a personal decision, but knowing who the industry leaders are is a great place to start your research. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Drop a comment below and let me know which broker you use or have questions about. See you in the next one.